I'm here to try bow-legged barbecue. You can see the smoke coming up from the smokers. This is a family-owned business that has recipes that have come down from generations. It sounds really delicious. And I think they have lunch specials too. There's an outside seating area.
Oh, really? Derek?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You get off that way. I don't want to be on camera.
Okay.
She's good at what she's doing.
I really loved the ambiance at the Bow-Legged Barbecue. They had every wall covered with music history or art. It was really neat. And this is their lunch special. So I got the 3 ribs and the chips and a drink, which is not too bad for the price. And then, of course, I had to try their cornbread, so I got that for the side. It's huge. And, of course, I wanted to try their famous sweet potato pie. Everything looks so good. There's enough to share the sweet potato pie and the cornbread. Or you can save it for later if it's too much. Let me try their ribs. Oh wow, look at that barbecue sauce on there. That looks so good. Absolutely delicious. That sauce is so good. 10 out of 10. Now I'm going to try the cornbread. I have to say that their cornbread is the best I've tasted in San Diego. It's not overly sweet. It's not too dry. It's just perfect. I love cornbread, and theirs is really good. Now for the sweet potato pie. Looks really good. Yeah, it's hands down the best also. It's not overly sweet, and that sweet potato, oh, it's so good. This is definitely excellent. I would highly recommend Bow-Legged Barbecue. It's really good, and I like their prices too if you don't want a big, heavy meal. So delicious, I love it. They give you a lot of meat on the ribs too. So delicious. Some of the best ribs in San Diego. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit like and subscribe for more of my fun videos. I have a lot of different good places to eat in San Diego, some of our favorites. I hope that you have a beautiful day.